Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi, welcome. We are so happy you are here today.
My name is Daniel,
And my name is Emma.
and today we are going to talk about something very simple but very important.
Yes, today we talk about seasons and weather.
Seasons and weather. Two very useful topics in English.
That's right. And don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly, just for you.
Yes, we always speak slowly here. That is our promise to you.
So, before we start, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us, and it helps more people find our videos. Thank you so much.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Okay, Emma, let's start with something easy. How many seasons are there?
That's a great question, Daniel. There are 4 seasons.
4 seasons. Yes. Let's say them together. Ready?
Ready.
Spring,
Spring,
summer,
summer,
autumn.
autumn, or we can also say fall.
Yes, autumn and fall are the same season. 2 different words, same meaning.
In American English, people say fall. In British English, people often say autumn.
Great point, Emma. Okay, and the last season?
Winter.
Perfect. So we have spring, summer, autumn or fall, and winter.
Let's say all 4 together, slowly. Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Beautiful. Now, Emma, let me ask you, what is spring like?
Beautiful. Now, Emma, let me ask you, what is spring like?
Yes, and flowers start to grow in spring. It is a very beautiful season.
It is. Sometimes it rains in spring, but the rain is gentle and soft.
Gentle rain. I like that. Okay, what about summer?
Summer is hot. The temperature is high. The sun shines a lot.
In summer, people go to the beach, or eat ice cream, or swim in the pool.
Yes, summer is the perfect time to be outside.
Do you like summer, Emma?
I like summer, but sometimes it is too hot for me. I get very tired in the heat.
Ha, I understand. I feel the same. Okay, what about autumn, or fall?
Oh, autumn is so beautiful. The leaves on the trees, they change color.
They turn red, orange, and yellow. It looks like a painting.
Exactly. And the weather in autumn is cool. Not too cold, but a little cold.
It is a great season for wearing a warm sweater and drinking hot tea.
Yes, with a good book. Perfect.
And finally, winter.
Winter is cold, sometimes very cold.
In some countries, it snows in winter. Snow is beautiful.
Yes, snowflakes, tiny pieces of frozen water falling from the sky.
But winter can also be difficult. The roads are icy. It is dark early.
That's true, but we have warm clothes, hot chocolate, and cozy nights at home.
I love that. Cozy. That is a wonderful word. Cozy means warm and comfortable. Okay, Emma, now let's talk about weather words. Very important in English.
Yes, weather words help you talk every day, even small talk, like at the office.
That's right. In English, the weather is a very popular topic. People talk about it all the time.
It's true. So, let's learn some simple words.
The first word is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining. The sky is bright and clear.
Sunny. On a sunny day, I feel happy. Sunny days are wonderful.
The next word is cloudy. Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky. The sun is hiding.
Cloudy days are okay. Not bad, but a little gray.
Then we have rainy. Rainy means it is raining. Water is falling from the sky.
Some people love rainy days. They love the sound of rain.
Yes, the sound of rain can be very relaxing. But you need an umbrella.
Don't forget your umbrella. Okay, next word.
Windy. Windy means the wind is blowing. Sometimes the wind is soft. Sometimes it is very strong.
When it is very windy, it is hard to walk outside. Your umbrella flies away.
Oh no, that happens to me every time. Okay, and one more important word. Snowy.
Snowy. That means it is snowing. Snow is falling.
Snowy days are beautiful, but cold. Very cold.
Yes, and sometimes roads and paths are icy, so be careful.
Now, let's practice some real English phrases. Things people say every day.
Yes, these are very natural phrases. Listen carefully.
The first phrase is, what is the weather like today?
What is the weather like today? This is a very common question.
And the answer might be, it is sunny today. Or, it is cold today. Or, it is raining.
Let's practice together. I ask, you answer. Okay, Daniel, what is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm today. The sky is very clear.
Perfect, simple and natural.
Now, another useful phrase. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring because it is warm and everything is fresh and new.
My favorite season is autumn. I love the colors and the cool air.
Nice! Everyone has a different favorite season. That is what makes life interesting.
And one more phrase. How is the weather in your country?
Oh, this is great for talking to people from other countries.
Yes, you can say, in my country, it is very hot in summer. Or, in my country, we don't have snow.
These phrases are easy, but very useful in real life.
Okay, everyone. Now we repeat the key words together. This helps your brain remember.
Say the words with us, slowly and clearly.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter,
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy,
hot, warm, cool, cold.
What is the weather like today? It is sunny today.
What is your favorite season? My favorite season is summer.
Great work, everyone. You are doing so well.
Okay, we are almost at the end of today's lesson.
Time goes so fast when we are talking about English.
Today, we talked about the 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
We learned weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
And we practiced some real English phrases that you can use every day.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Go slowly. Be patient with yourself.
Every day, a little bit. That is the secret.
And we are always here with you, every step of the way.
Now, here's your question for today. We want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite season? And what is the weather like in your country?
Write it in English, just 1 or 2 sentences. You can do it.
For example, my favorite season is summer. In my country, it is very hot.
Simple and perfect. We love reading your comments.
And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And subscribe so you never miss our next lesson.
Thank you so much for watching today.
We are really happy to be learning together with you.
See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep practicing. Bye-bye.